Innovations come alive. Today we dive deep into one of the most extraordinary creations ever imagined in the world of high-end travel, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Vision Nomad Concept Ultra-Luxury Motorhome, a masterpiece that redefines what road luxury, mobile architecture, and premium craftsmanship truly mean. This is not just a vehicle, it is a moving palace crafted for those who demand unmatched comfort, timeless design, and a travel experience elevated far beyond traditional expectations. So let us explore the full review, specs, features, design philosophy, and overall presence of this ultra-exclusive motorhome that is already generating massive curiosity across the automotive and luxury lifestyle world. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Vision Nomad concept presents a new chapter in grand touring, created for travelers who refuse to compromise between mobility and luxury. The exterior design follows Rolls-Royce's iconic philosophy of purity, elegance, and commanding presence. The front end carries the signature Pantheon grille, illuminated with premium light strips, giving the motorhome an unmistakable identity even in complete darkness. Sleek LED matrix headlamps blend modern technology with traditional Rolls-Royce styling. The elongated body structure features sculpted side panels, a floating roofline, and chrome accents perfectly aligned to enhance its royal stance. Every line across the body reflects aerodynamic refinement, reducing drag and ensuring smooth, silent highway travel despite the motorhome's massive size. The Vision Nomad concept introduces a fully electric powertrain built on Rolls-Royce's advancements in silent EV mobility. The dual-motor setup delivers impressive torque, allowing easy acceleration whether cruising on open highways or navigating steady inclines. With a battery capacity designed for long-distance travel, the motorhome promises an exceptional range, making it ideal for adventurous journeys without frequent charging stops. Rolls-Royce's signature Whisper Quiet cabin is amplified here, thanks to advanced sound insulation, active noise cancellation, and refined chassis engineering that creates the sensation of floating over the road. The ride quality is further elevated with an adaptive air suspension system that continuously reads the road, adjusting itself for unparalleled comfort. Moving inside, the Vision Nomad concept becomes a new benchmark in ultra-luxury motorhomes. The interior is designed like a five-star suite combined with a private penthouse, wrapped in the finest materials sourced from across the world. Soft leather, polished wood veneers, crystal accents, handcrafted embroidery, and ambient lighting work together to create a serene sanctuary. The open living area includes a lounge with executive seating, a panoramic glass ceiling, and wall-to-wall windows that bring natural light and breathtaking outdoor views directly into the cabin. The Smart Lounge system allows the seats to recline automatically, rotate, or fold into different configurations based on travel mode or relaxation mode. The kitchen area reflects a modern luxury apartment, complete with premium appliances, a compact refrigeration system, induction cooking space, and hidden storage units designed with Rolls-Royce precision. The materials used here are resistant to heat, stains, and long-term use, proving that even practical areas in the motorhome are built to the highest standards. The dining space is elegantly crafted, offering a comfortable area for meals, work, or entertainment while maintaining the overall opulent atmosphere. The bedroom inside the Vision Nomad concept feels like stepping into a luxury hotel suite. A king-size bed with advanced posture support cushioning ensures restful sleep even during travel. The ambient lighting adjusts according to time of day or user preference, while the integrated climate system maintains perfect temperature control. Large windows next to the bed create a sense of openness, making the space perfect for relaxing nights in the mountains, forests, or seaside locations. The bathroom elevates the motorhome experience further, offering a spacious shower area, premium stone surfaces, heated floors, and advanced water purification systems. Every detail inside the bathroom is crafted to deliver a spa-like experience on the move. Technology plays a major role in the Vision Nomad concept. The dashboard features a panoramic digital cockpit with AI-assisted controls, navigation, and real-time road predictions. Voice commands allow users to control lighting, curtains, temperature, multimedia functions, and even exterior features. The motorhome is equipped with autonomous driving capabilities for long stretches, ensuring safety and reducing driver fatigue. The entertainment system includes high-fidelity speakers, a retractable cinematic display, and 5G-enabled connectivity for streaming, online work, or communication. Storage is intelligently integrated with hidden compartments, underfloor sections, and vertical spaces to maximize usability without disturbing the premium design. The rear section offers a slide-out deck that transforms into an outdoor lounge, perfect for enjoying sunrise views, camp setups, or late-night stargazing. Safety remains a core element with collision sensors, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, surround cameras, emergency braking, and security locks integrated with biometric access. The Vision Nomad concept combines luxury with complete peace of mind, ensuring that every journey is both enjoyable and secure. Overall, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Vision Nomad Concept Ultra Luxury Motorhome stands as a symbol of future travel, merging elite craftsmanship, intelligent engineering, sustainable power, and unmatched comfort. It is a dream vehicle for royalty, high-profile travelers, and those who value privacy, freedom, and luxury at the highest level. This motorhome is not just about reaching destinations, it is about experiencing the journey with grace, elegance, and absolute indulgence. If you enjoyed this detailed review and want more futuristic vehicles, premium concepts, and automotive breakdowns, make sure to like the video, share it, and subscribe to Viral Verse for more amazing content ahead.